10 questions in English. Can you pass? You are following a car that has its turn signal on and is moving to change lanes to the right. What should you do? A. Accelerate to pass the car before it moves over. B. Maintain the same speed and hold your lane position. C. Sound the horn to warn the car not to change lanes. D. Reduce speed and give the car space to complete the lane change. The correct answer is D. When the vehicle ahead signals a lane change, reduce speed and leave enough space for it to complete the maneuver safely. Speeding up or holding position creates a collision risk. You are driving on a 2-lane road and a cyclist is just ahead of you. You are approaching a left turn. What should you do? A. Overtake the cyclist quickly before reaching the turn. B. Stay behind the cyclist and do not overtake before turning left. C. Sound your horn to signal the cyclist to move aside, then overtake. D. Overtake the cyclist only if no vehicles are coming from the opposite direction. The correct answer is B. Overtaking a cyclist just before a left turn forces you to cut across their path as you turn, creating a serious collision risk. You must stay behind the cyclist until the turn is complete. The curb alongside this road is painted with alternating red and white stripes. What are drivers prohibited from doing here? A. Stopping or parking any vehicle. B. Parking only. Briefly stopping to drop off passengers is allowed. C. Parking only. Stopping is permitted at any time. D. Stopping only. Parking with hazard lights on is permitted. The correct answer is A. Red and white curb stripes mean no stopping and no parking for any vehicle at any time. This is stricter than red and yellow stripes, which prohibit only parking. One of your tires suddenly blows out while driving. What should you do? A. Brake firmly to stop as soon as safely possible. B. Let the car slow down on its own and switch on your hazard lights. C. Call for roadside assistance before doing anything else. D. Switch on your hazard lights and move to the side of the road without reducing speed. The correct answer is B. After a blowout, releasing the accelerator and letting the car coast keeps the vehicle stable, while hazard lights warn other drivers. Braking suddenly can cause the car to spin or veer out of control. You are driving through a flooded road. What is the correct way to proceed? A. Drive slowly and keep a reasonable gap behind the vehicle ahead. B. Turn on your hazard lights and maintain your normal speed. C. Stay as close as possible to the vehicle ahead so you can follow its exact path. D. Avoid using the brakes at any point while passing through the water. The correct answer is A. In flooded conditions, driving slowly reduces the risk of losing control or stalling, and maintaining a safe following distance gives you time to react if the vehicle ahead stops or struggles. Tailgating removes that safety buffer entirely. A motorcycle is overtaking your car when oncoming traffic appears ahead. What should you do? A. Reduce your speed and move left to give the motorcycle room to complete the overtake. B. Quickly change lanes to the right to block the motorcycle from overtaking. C. Sound your horn and flash your headlights at the oncoming vehicle. D. Brake sharply and stop your vehicle immediately. The correct answer is A. When a motorcycle is mid-overtake and oncoming traffic appears, you must slow down and move left so the motorcycle can complete the maneuver safely and return to the correct lane. Stopping abruptly or moving right creates a greater collision risk. You arrive at a crash scene and find someone unconscious. What should you do first? A. Photograph the scene to document what happened. B. Move the person to a more comfortable place nearby. C. Check whether the person is breathing normally. D. Splash cold water on their face to revive them. The correct answer is C. Checking for normal breathing is the immediate priority with an unconscious casualty, as it determines whether CPR or other life-saving steps are needed. Moving the person or splashing water can cause further harm and delays proper assessment. What does this warning sign tell you about the road ahead? A. The road splits into two separate carriageways divided by a central median. Stay left and keep within your lane. B. Two lanes merge into one. Move to the center of the road to prepare for the merge. C. A roundabout is ahead. Slow down and give way to traffic already in the circle. D. The road narrows on the right side. Shift toward the center to avoid the obstruction. The correct answer is A. This sign warns that the road ahead becomes a divided dual carriageway with a central median separating opposing traffic. Drivers must keep to the left carriageway and stay within their lane. Which of the following should you avoid when driving in heavy rain? A. Reducing your speed and staying alert. B. Keeping your headlights on. C. Applying the brakes suddenly and forcefully. D. Driving at no more than 20 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is C. Wet roads greatly reduce tire grip, so sudden hard braking can cause skidding or loss of control. Always brake gently and gradually in heavy rain. You are approaching this orange warning sign. What does it tell you to do? A. Slow down and prepare to shift your path to the right around a roadworks detour. B. Slow down and prepare to shift your path to the left around a roadworks detour. C. Stop and wait for oncoming traffic to clear before crossing a narrow bridge. D. Reduce speed because the road ahead drops into a steep downhill section. The correct answer is A. The orange diamond sign shows traffic lanes bending to the right around an obstruction, indicating a right-side detour ahead due to roadworks. Drivers must slow down and follow the offset path to the right. Find your weak spots before the real test at farangdrive.com.